Welcome back. Today we're gonna climb the wait, what's this? Baler lighthouse, foot of the mountain. Filipino instructions, panalitihin pong malinis ang area. In English, keep the area clean because this place is full of nature and we don't want to ruin that. And also, if you're an English person or American, say dayo dayo, and that should lighthouse. That should keep you from all the elements that Filipinos believe in. Dayo dayo. Always like that. Say dayo dayo po. Just to keep them away. Just in case, because you don't know if they're real. So here. Oh shit.
Hindi ko lang alam sir. Baka di ko kaya
Kaya ko yan. Today guys, here. Kayanin natin yan. Sayang binayaran natin. Actually, ito na.
Hawakan mo lang sa payong ko ng isa. Yung lang
Okay guys, baka hindi. So, say that they just said that kids are, maybe we cannot climb because kids couldn't handle it. Kala mabuhay bro. I can literally climb anything. Hiking is my dream. And when I will become a teenager, I'll become like a backpacker or something. Backpacking to the Philippines. So I'm gonna practice here. Sheesh, it's really high. Baka maybe the handrail isn't strong enough. Okay, step. Sheesh. Okay, this is really steep. Oh. Sheesh. Hiking is kinda. Lagyan mo kasi baby oil. Oh, sheesh.
Ba't mauna ka?
Mauna, ikaw nandiyan na yung nasa unahan.
Baka magulong ka eh.
Sheesh, guys. This is really deep. I mean, steep. Going to the lighthouse. Okay. Oh! It's kinda deep. Oh! Kinda steep.
Pagbaba, dapat wala nang water ha.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Sheesh. Oh, that's a cliff.
Very good ha. Like house.
Oh, this is very steep. The pathway is full of rocks. Oh, finally. Sheesh. This is the. Actually, I didn't get that much tired. I was just joking around. Oh, yep, long way to go. Oh, sheesh. Look at that, the sea is over there. Sheesh. Don't wanna fall there, so I'm just. This is every hiker's dream. Yeah, this is my dream too. We literally came so far. We've been traveling for like, just say 48 hours. 2 days. Now we spent here like 3 or 4 days. 4 days, guys, 4 days. Sheesh, we're so very up high. Sheesh. If one step wrong there, we'll be dead. It seems to be. Just step here. Step like that if. So step on the rock if it's stable. Hindi! Akitin natin dun. Pahinga muna. Set camp.
Dito, Daddy. No, walang bangin.
Set camp, set camp, set camp. Pag gusto mong pahinga, sabihin mo set camp.
Sidi. Ikaw din. Yeah. Look.
Let's check if it's stable.
Matthew.
Hindi po.
Hi, Sidi.
Hindi po. Hindi po. Okay, so we're here. Come on, let's climb it up.
We're only half.
We're only halfway. Come on, we can pass through this.
Nauna na kami, ah. Doon.
Let's skip.
Sige. Need help? Dito ka dadaan na.
Okay, this is going to be. Oh, dayo po, dayo. I'm so sorry. Sorry po talaga. Oh, sheesh. Okay, so this is.
Uy, tama na. Dito na lang tayo.
Grabe, ang baba. Halfway pa nga lang tayo eh. Bro, the lighthouse is over there. Such a shame we couldn't climb. So these two need to learn how to hike. These two needs to hike. Teach these guys how to hike, bro. So high up. We can just go here. Mami, may clear pathway dito. Oh. Madali lang akitin. Here, it's a clear pathway. Here, see? It's not that quite easy. Yeah, this is a this is a clear pathway. I've been recording for 7 minutes. Aren't we going? It's all the way up. Sheesh. This is hard rock. Ah! Okay, so we can set up camp. We can sit down or anything. Dito na kayo dumaan banda.
Mupo ako sa bato.
Continue na ako, Cindy. Sama ka ba? Hiker naman ako eh, alam ko. Okay, so every hiker's dream has a consequence. You need to climb up. Sheesh, we have a long way up. We have the music there. Where did the music go? We're all the way up. Cell phone's getting wet because of the little rain. Oh sheesh. Okay, I almost slept there. I think we should set up camp here. This should be fine. Set up camp. Sit down for a while and drink. Hi guys. So we're here at the top of the mountain. So probably my parents don't know how to climb this thing.
Ano? Sabi mo?
Nothing.
Marunong kami umakyat. Dito tayo dali.
Oh my god. More adventures.
Dito kami sa taas ng Matthew.
I'm gonna place over here. Smile. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're literally wasting time. Come on na.
Uy,
Landslide. Posible na mag-landslide. Ambon lang yan, mami, na ano lang ng hangin. Dali lang naman akitin eh.
Lahat ng gamit natin basa pa kasi. Ika rin. Oo, yun ang delikado pag dumulas tayo, anak.
Daddy, wala ko lang na camera. Pinicture mo yung lighthouse. Kita yung lighthouse? Yung pinicture mo kami?
Oh my god, bro.
O, dalawa kayo ni Matthew dyan kayo.
Ay, ko pa mag-plan sa mga ma-finish up ito all the top. It's so easy. It's just a little bit of rain. Ang dali lang naman akitin eh. Akit ko hanggang dito eh.
Pababa, susunod.
Pababa, ang dali lang hiker
Tulas
nga.
yan, no?
Ready?
Sinking.
Dati naka-video ako.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay guys, we're gonna go.
tulas ka dyan, ha? Tignan mo, oh.
It's supposed to be really easy. We're just gonna climb up there. You just have to see the top. You just have. It's my dream. It's always been my dream. It's been my dream to go up there. And now we're canceling this. No, I'm not giving up on you. This is really steep. It's really steep. So I guess we'll go. It's really steep. My storage is running low. And we're wasting. I suppose it's long climb up and long climb down. I think I'm gonna borrow my mom's iPhone to video more evidence because my storage is literally running low. There's literally a kid climbing down. Oh my god. Sheesh. Okay, this is really steep. Ito po. Ito po. Ito. Always make sure where your step is always is portable. It's quite a long way down, right? Mommy! Hey there! I'm all the way up here now. Our next stopover setup camp is right over there. Right over there. Over there. I'm gonna show you later because video camera is. If this video suddenly cuts out, well, my phone is on full storage, but I think we'll be able to make it through. Wait. Sheesh. Hi! So tell me where you're going down this early. Ganito ang pagbaba ng highway. Ginaganyan niya oh. Ako mas marami experience dun sa mga ano, mga napapanood ko.
Oh, sige na, ikaw na. Mag-picture tayo, nila kayo.
Grabe.
Pasok.
Masama mga macho. Yan. Apa?
Smile Matthew, sasabihin naman ni Lola. Ay, pangit. Tara na.
Ano, ano? Hindi, mamaya. Huwag ka mamaya. Lumapit sa akin.
Si Macho na naman, o pilit na naman ang magagalit na naman si Lola niya.
Mga yung makinig ko. Kaya malis ka sa ano.
Ba't parang lumaki yung ano?
Yan.
Guys, sit down. Make sure the water doesn't fall. Standing by the rock. Such a shame. Couldn't go up all the way up. So sad, guys, that this has been a total bust because of the rain. It's quite easy to go up and go down.
Hindi naman malayo ito eh. Matanda to.
Iyaangat ko siya eh. Ikaw, hindi kita maangat eh.
Ayan, ang ganda oh.
Mami, mabilisan lang ha.
Wala ako dito ah.
Ayan, ang ganda.
Mountains there.
Ikaw, mami, angat ko.
Ayoko dati, gusto mo malaglag ka.
Lipat, mami, lipat. Dapat may parachute tayo eh.
Masyado mababa pa to para sa parachute.
Bye-bye.
Kailangan doon ka sa tuktok kung gusto mong parachute.